Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Anytime. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to talk about how to describe your daily routine in English.
This is one of the most common topics in English conversations. People often ask, "What's your day like?" Or, "What do you usually do?"
Yes, and it's a great topic for small talk or language practice. You can use it anywhere, at work, in class, or even when meeting new people.
Exactly. Talking about your daily routine is simple, but it helps you sound more fluent.
So Maya, how does your usual day start?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone, but I'm trying to stop that habit.
I know that feeling. I do the same. I wake up around 6:30 because I like to start my day early.
That's nice. Do you eat breakfast right away?
Not right away. First, I take a shower. Then I make a cup of coffee. I usually have toast or cereal for breakfast.
Sounds good. I like having yogurt with fruit in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
That's healthy. After breakfast, I go for a short walk if the weather is good. I live near a park, so it's really nice in the mornings.
That sounds peaceful. I usually just listen to some music or a podcast before I start work.
Speaking of work, what time do you start?
I start at 9. I work from home, so I just go to my desk and turn on my laptop.
That's convenient. I usually leave my apartment around 8:30. My office is in the city center, so I take the bus.
How long does it take you to get there?
About 20 minutes if the traffic isn't too bad. Sometimes I listen to music or read something on the way.
I like reading on the bus, too. It makes the trip feel shorter.
Definitely. When I get to the office, I check my emails first, then I plan my tasks for the day.
That's a good habit. I also check my messages and plan my day before I start.
What kind of tasks do you usually have?
I usually write content, edit videos, and prepare social media posts. It's a mix of creative work and planning.
Sounds fun. My job is more about meetings and reports. I work with clients and organize marketing projects.
That sounds busy. Do you take a lunch break at the office?
Yes, around 1 o'clock. Sometimes I go out with my colleagues. We usually grab a sandwich or salad at a small cafe near the office.
That's nice. When I work from home, I just make something simple. Maybe pasta or a salad.
I love pasta. Sometimes I cook it in the evening after work.
Me too. After lunch, I like to take a short break, maybe 10 minutes, just to relax my eyes.
That's a smart idea. I try to do the same, but sometimes the day gets too busy.
It happens to everyone. How long is your workday?
Usually until 5:30 or 6. After that, I take the bus home.
Do you go straight home or do you stop somewhere?
Sometimes I stop by the supermarket to buy groceries. If the weather's nice, I might take a short walk before going home.
That sounds relaxing. After work, I usually go for a short jog or do some stretching at home.
That's good. I should exercise more. Most days I just rest and watch something on TV.
What kind of shows do you like watching?
Mostly documentaries or travel shows. They help me relax and learn something new.
I like travel shows too. I enjoy learning about new cultures and places.
Yes, and sometimes I practice English by watching shows with subtitles.
That's a great idea. I do that too. It helps you hear natural expressions.
After dinner, I usually read for a while before bed.
What do you read? Books or news?
Mostly books. Right now I'm reading a mystery novel set in Scotland.
That sounds interesting. I usually read something lighter before bed, maybe articles or blogs.
That's nice. What time do you go to sleep?
Usually around 11. I try not to sleep too late because I need energy for the next day.
Same here. If I go to bed late, I feel tired all day.
Yes, sleep is so important. Without it, even coffee doesn't help.
True. So that's basically our weekday routine.
Yes, weekdays are always a bit busy, but what about weekends?
Weekends are different. I wake up later, maybe around 8:30 or 9.
Me too. I like to sleep in and enjoy a slow morning.
On Saturdays, I usually clean my apartment and do laundry.
I do the same. I put on music and clean the kitchen. It actually feels good when everything's tidy.
Definitely. And after that, I sometimes meet friends for lunch or coffee.
I love that. My friends and I often meet at a cafe near the park. We sit outside when the weather is nice.
That's the best part of weekends. No rush, just relaxing.
Exactly. Do you cook on weekends or eat out?
I like cooking. Sometimes I try new recipes. Last weekend I made lasagna.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. I made pizza last weekend. It turned out really well.
Nice. Cooking at home is both fun and cheaper than eating out.
True. And you can control what ingredients you use.
After lunch, I usually take a nap or go for a walk.
I like afternoon walks too. There's a park near my place where I can watch people walking their dogs.
That sounds peaceful. I sometimes go cycling near the river. It helps me clear my mind.
That's a great habit. Do you usually go out in the evenings on weekends?
Sometimes, I might go to the cinema or meet friends for dinner.
I like that too. My friends and I sometimes have movie nights at home.
That's nice. On Sundays, I usually stay home and prepare for the week.
Yes, Sundays are quiet for me too. I plan my schedule, do groceries, and sometimes call my family.
That's a good way to end the week. Do you cook a special dinner on Sundays?
Sometimes I make soup or roast chicken. It feels like comfort food.
Sounds delicious. I usually make something simple, like pasta or risotto.
I love risotto. It's perfect for Sunday evenings.
So basically, your daily routine changes a bit on weekends, but you still keep some structure.
Yes, having a routine helps me stay organized, even when I'm relaxing.
That's true, and routines are great topics to practice English because they use simple present tense verbs.
Exactly. You can practice saying, I wake up, I go, I eat, I work, and so on.
It's simple but very useful. You can also connect ideas using words like after that, then, or usually.
Right. For example, I wake up at 7, then I brush my teeth. After that, I have breakfast.
Perfect. That's how you build sentences naturally.
Also, when you talk about routines, you can include time words like in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night.
Yes, those make your sentences clearer. For example, I work in the morning and I relax in the evening.
Exactly. And you can use adverbs like usually, sometimes, or always to sound more natural.
For example, I usually wake up early, or I sometimes read before bed.
That's a great way to make your English sound smooth and natural.
So, to everyone listening, try this. Describe your daily routine out loud. Say what time you wake up, what you eat, and what you do during the day.
Yes, you can even write it down first and then read it aloud.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes to talk about your life.
And this is a great topic for meeting new people too. Everyone can talk about their daily life.
Right. When someone asks, "How's your day?" you can give more than just fine. You can say, "It's been busy. I had a meeting in the morning, and now I'm relaxing."
That's a great way to sound confident and open.
Yes, and it helps people connect with you.
So, Alex, what's your favorite part of your day?
Probably the evening. I like to cook dinner and read before bed. It feels calm. What about you?
I like mornings. When the sun comes in and the day feels fresh.
That's nice. Everyone has their favorite time.
Yes. And that's another way to keep a conversation going. Asking people about their favorite part of the day.
Good idea. Questions like, "Are you a morning person or a night person?" always work.
Yes. And they make the other person smile.
All right. I think we've shared a lot of ideas today.
Yes, I hope everyone listening feels ready to talk about their daily routine in English.
Remember, simple sentences are enough. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Practice a few times, and you'll sound more confident every day.
Thanks for listening to Practice English Anytime.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.